everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and today we're going to be working on Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. Let's go ahead and jump into the first one. For this design, I used those tumbling tower blocks and I just glued them in squares, and I just built that up a little smaller as I went along and made this really unique little Christmas tree. Painted it with that Rust-Oleum white chalk paint, added a little bit of the chalk smoke glaze that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, added some of my little pine cones and greenery, and then I decided to use this. It's called Black Flesh. And it's a really neat little iridescent brown color. But look how adorable this one turned out. Now for our next DIY, I'm going to be using one of those wood browns from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be adding that chalk smoked glaze again to the bottom half. And I'm going to be using the chalk smoke glaze through all of these DIYs, and I think they really made these Dollar Tree supplies have a very high-end look that would be great for a farmhouse decor or the woodlands theme that I'm kind of going to go with this year. And you can see I used the white chalk paint there on the top and painted that little Merry Christmas sign with the smoke glaze, and I just wanted to pull all these colors in to give this that neutral kind of palette too, because if you do follow my channel, you know that is one of my favorite designs to do in my home. And I think I actually did pick these little snowflakes up, maybe at Hobby Lobby. I know they do have them at Dollar Tree also. And I just wanted to decorate this one with some greenery around the side and the bottom. And I finished this one off with that little rope hanger. And this would look so great hanging on the wall, or you could even use it as a door greeter. Well, everyone, I would like to say thank you for stopping by today. And if you are a regular subscriber and watch my channel, I have been gone for a little while and I had to take a break, but I have got so much planned for you for the month of November. Now let's go ahead and jump into this third one. I'm going to take one of those wood stars, once again from Dollar Tree, cover that with that chalk smoke glaze, and take that believe sign that I picked up and just cover that in some white. And that this was such a really simple design that you could just use as a shelf sitter. And I added a little bit of greenery from my craft stash and a pine cone, and look how clean and neat and simple this little star is. I think this would look great in anybody's home for the holiday season. Now for our next design, I'm going to be using some of these brand new sleds that they have now at Dollar Tree. I thought these were such pretty little ornaments, and I did cut my rope string off that to hang them with because I thought they would look cute just hung up by that bar across the top. Took some of these other new ornaments that I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pop those right on the front of the sled to make these have just a very simple and elegant design. And I just love how these turned out. Well, everyone, I hope you're enjoying these so far. I have 10 DIYs to share with you today, and I think they would look wonderful in a neutral decor palette home or a farmhouse. And like I said, I'm going to be blending a little bit of the farmhouse and woodland theme this year. And everyone, this was probably my most fun and unique design. These are actually the little gnomes, and I decided to turn them around and use the back side to make this little vignette of these Christmas trees on this wood block from Dollar Tree. And I added the little wood stars, tied that rope twine there. I almost wanted to paint the back to where you could turn it around and see the gnomes. And I may do that on my next one. But this one, I really wanted that rope around the base there to look like the tree stand. But this was so fun, and I really enjoyed how this one turned out. Added some of the greenery, of course, from my craft stash. And I think this made a beautiful little shelf sitter. And of course, I had to add polka dots to it. I thought that just made this one a really happy and fun design. So definitely let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Well, everyone, like I said, if you're new here, once again, I'm Tonya, and I love to create home decor on a budget. I love to do neutral decor, and I love to do the colors like this that have a lot of the black and white and the grays, and I will pop a little bit of color in now and then, and I just have so many creative designs to share with you, so I hope you stick around. Now for the next design, I'm going to be taking some of these new little nutcrackers from Dollar Tree, and I love that they finally brought these in the raw wood, and I want to just stain mine up with that smoke glaze and make them look really aged and old, and I just think they make the perfect decor piece. And of course, if you like those bright colors, you can always add those on there too. Now I'm going to take some more of that black flash, and I really love that. That's from a folk art paint, and I really like how it has that little bit of iridescent, and you can see I just kind of added that on his little sword there, and I did take some white wax and just rub over a few of the areas just to give that little bit of contrast, but I thought these little guys just turned out so rustic and fun, and I definitely think I'm keeping these to display in my home. Now for our next DIY, I am going to be working on a little candle holder, and I'm going to make just a simple little base here, and I left the front of mine open because I just kind of liked how it looked with the palette in there. Gonna add that white chalk paint on here, and then I'll dust it with a little bit of the smoke glaze just to give it a little bit of that aged look. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of that to that little wood Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. And I just thought this made the cutest little shelf sitter. Well, everyone, I know a lot of you watch my channel and you're not subscribed. So I really hope that you can hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and that would really help my channel. It would help with the algorithm noticing my channel and pushing it out to other people that may enjoy my content. And of course, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family so you can be notified when I do upload new content. But everyone, look at our little Christmas tree candle holder, and I just think it turned out adorable. Everyone, I hope you're still here with me. If you are, maybe pop one of those little Christmas trees in the comments below, and that will let me know that you're here with me still watching. And I've got a few more to share with you that I think you're really going to enjoy. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is take some more of those little tumbling tower blocks and one of the little oval wood signs, and I'm just going to make a really simple little wooden basket to hold some of the bottle brush Christmas trees. And everyone, I love how this one turned out also. And I really like these little simple designs like this that you can just display in little areas of your home, or mix them in with a little vignette that you've created, or they just look beautiful on their own just for that little touch of Christmas in a room. And this time I decided that I would take and put these on those little wood pieces from Dollar Tree. And I thought that really give them that kind of woodlands farmhouse kind of feel to this. And I went ahead and added a little rope twine. And I like to order my fairy lights from Amazon. And I'll leave a link to those in the description below for you if you would like to purchase those. And I thought that looked so pretty how it just kind of lit up the little base around there. But everyone, let's go ahead and start on the next one. Now, this was just something fun I created. This could be just regular home decor, or I added a little greenery around the bottom just to make it have that little Christmas feel. But I really like how these designs have turned out with the Rust-Oleum chalk smoke glaze. I also will leave a link to that for you that you can purchase it off Amazon if you would like. And I actually think I had got my first can at Hobby Lobby, so they do carry it there. And you can see I'm just adding a little rope twine to bring in that little bit of that farmhouse and rustic feel, and then just tucking those fairy lights down in there, adding some greenery that I had in my craft stash and some pine cones, and this made just a sweet little candle for the Christmas and winter season, because oh, having little Christmas lights definitely makes everything warm and feel good through the holidays in the winter. Now, this was just another fun and unique design. When I first was creating this, I thought this would make the neatest little earring holder, but I ended up making it into just a little snowflake tree. And I just took and added some little snowflakes you'll see here in a moment just hanging on there. And this is another little design that I thought would just be fun setting on a shelf or in a corner, maybe with a little vignette. And I decided to paint them with that dark chalk smoke glaze just for the contrast of the white snowflakes on there. And then I added that little Christmas ball and painted it white. But look what a cute little design this made. And it still does have some of the little holes open that you could actually hang your little earrings off if you wanted to just put this in the bathroom for just a little holiday decoration. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed all of these today. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really does help me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. And I will see you on the next one.